Ever wondered if your digital assets are truly safe, or more specifically, if the hardware wallet guarding them has a secret origin story you've never considered? We often focus on features, security audits, and coin support, but rarely do we dig into the roots of the company itself. Today, we're doing just that for a popular name in crypto security, ELLIPAL. In the fast-paced, often volatile world of cryptocurrency, cold storage solutions like hardware wallets have become indispensable. They're the digital fortresses protecting our precious Bitcoin, Ethereum, and countless altcoins from the ever-present threat of hackers and malware. Among the many options available, ELLIPAL has carved out a significant niche. Known for its air-gapped security, large touchscreen, and mobile app integration, it's a device that's often recommended for those serious about self-custody. But when you hold an ELLIPAL device in your hand, have you ever paused to think, where exactly does this technology come from? What country is ELLIPAL from? It's a question that might seem trivial at first glance. After all, isn't technology global? While that's true to an extent, understanding the geographical origins of a company can offer valuable insights. It can shed light on regulatory environments, manufacturing practices, and even the cultural values embedded in the product's design and support. For a security-focused device, knowing the jurisdiction under which the company operates can be particularly reassuring, or, conversely, raise questions that warrant further investigation. So, let's get to the core of it. ELLIPAL is a company that has its roots firmly planted in Hong Kong. This might come as a surprise to some, who might have guessed other tech hubs or perhaps even a Western nation. Hong Kong, a special administrative region of China, is a vibrant international financial center with a unique legal and economic system. This positioning offers several advantages for a tech company like ELLIPAL. Firstly, Hong Kong boasts a robust infrastructure, including advanced manufacturing capabilities and a highly skilled workforce, which are crucial for producing sophisticated hardware devices. Secondly, its status as a global financial hub means it has a well-developed legal framework, which can be beneficial for intellectual property protection and international business operations. While it operates under the one country, two systems principle, giving it a high degree of autonomy, its proximity to mainland China also provides access to vast supply chains and manufacturing prowess. This Hong Kong base allows ELLIPAL to leverage a unique blend of Eastern efficiency and a Western-oriented business environment. They are able to tap into the technological advancements and manufacturing expertise prevalent in the region, while also operating within a framework that emphasizes international trade and financial services. This strategic location has undoubtedly played a role in ELLIPAL's ability to develop, produce, and distribute its hardware wallets globally, reaching customers in over 140 countries. It's important to remember that while the company is based in Hong Kong, its reach and impact are global. Their commitment to security, as evidenced by their air-gapped design and constant updates, resonates with a worldwide audience of crypto enthusiasts and investors. The Made in Hong Kong label, in this context, signifies a blend of advanced manufacturing and an international business perspective, rather than any limitation. It's a testament to how a company from a specific geographic location can successfully navigate the complexities of the global tech landscape to deliver a product that meets a universal need for digital asset security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.